Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm going to show you a sunset trail. I believe it's a 2025, but I'm going to have to make sure, but it's beautiful. So we're going to go through it, and you guys, of course, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My information is, of course, in the description, but let's go from the outside in and go from there. Let's go. It is a 2025 Sunset Trail, model 330SI. It's got two slides on this side. They have the slide toppers on there as well, which is really nice. And it's got a slide on this side, a long awning. And I'm sure it's got the backup camera prep. We like to have that on the back. Sure does. Fiberglass. So let's take a look inside. So right when you get in, you have an area for your coats, backpacks, whatever the case may be, but I love when I see that. It just makes life a little bit easier. All right, look how beautiful this is. Now the chairs are in the back, so they just brought this in. I had to get it on here, so here we go. Well, you got 4 chairs that go around this table. Of course, you can put this table down. Maybe you have a recliner, your favorite recliner. You can put it over here as well. But this is absolutely stunning. I love the colors. You've got a nice, beautiful, big island that actually does not go in front of your entertainment, which is really nice. And then, of course, you've got your theater seating with your cup holders. Beautiful windows around the side and over here in the back with this nice big couch. Of course, couch that goes into a bed. And then you've got more storage right up there. Right over here, you got your theater seating. I'm kidding. You've got your entertainment. You've got your entertainment and you've got your fireplace and then storage right above. And there is so much counter space. I love that. So you got a window over there as well, and I love the backsplash. You got a 3-burner, your oven, your microwave, and then just more storage and cabinetry. And I love this dark wood that they used. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful big sink and a nice size fridge with plenty of space here to put all your goods, including the freezer. And this nice big pantry. Look how big this is. And it's your washer and dryer prep. I love that. I like not having it in my bedroom. But plenty of space, guys. Plenty of area in here to put all your goods and have your, even, folding your clothes up here and putting them in a place right away is really nice. I just would prefer that than having them laying all over the place. All right, down this hall, we've got our bathroom, and it's nice and big. You've got plenty of storage in here as well, an oversized shower, plenty of space for your, to sit down, not bump your knees. Storage, and then more storage down there. And it does go into your master bedroom, which, as I mentioned, these chairs go in there in the kitchen. But for now, we've got a lot of space in here. Now you can walk all the way around. You've got a nice big dresser. You can hang up your entertainment right up there. And a huge, a closet. Goodness, I'm tired, guys. But a nice big closet here, all the way from one side to the other. And then maybe you got shoes up here, whatever. Love it. And then you do have a mirror, which is really, really nice as well. All right, guys. So let me know what you think. I would love to hear what you guys think. This is beautiful. But of course, I do want to know what you guys think. Call, text, email. My information is below, as I mentioned. All right. Until next time, guys.